Changing your profile picture on SHEIN is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open the SHEIN app or website. Launch the SHEIN app on your mobile device or visit the SHEIN website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Navigate to your profile section. On the app, you can find it by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. On the website, look for your account name or profile icon at the top right. Step 3. Access account settings. In your profile, look for the account settings or edit profile option. Click or tap on it to access your profile information. Step 4. Change profile picture. Find the option to change your profile picture. This is usually represented by camera icon or a placeholder image. Click or tap on it to upload a new photo from your device. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button to finalize the update. Now your profile picture is updated. Enjoy your new look on SHEIN.